Does your 90s kitchen need updated? Well, here's a kitchen that Gill Construction Solutions updated. Let's find out what happened. This is the original kitchen from the 90s. The cabinets were in great shape. They were actually custom made at the time. New appliances had been installed a few years earlier just to kind of give it a more updated look. But the kitchen, as you can see here, has a two-tier countertop. So on the living room side, it's a little higher for a bar area. No backsplash had ever been installed in the home, or at least in the kitchen. They had additional countertops on the other side, and then a pantry that butted up to the refrigerator, laminate countertops. And here you can really see how that you've got that upper part on the cabinet there for the overhang. So what happens first? Once we got the project rolling, our client selected a quartz countertop. Has a lot of movement in it. Subway tiles that were a 4x12 for the backsplash, and then a modern Art Deco tile that had some marble in it was chosen as an accent to complement the subway tile and the quartz countertop. And they had it installed, the subway tile was installed in that brick pattern. Countertop demo is the first thing on the agenda. So you can see here, all the countertops have been removed. And in this photo, you can really see where they took it down to make it all one level. It's kind of cool to see. This stain on these cabinets almost reminds you of a beachy look, doesn't it? More countertop removal, as you can see. And in this next photo, you can see where they took the sheetrock out, removed it so that a cement backer board could be installed prior to the backsplash installation. And on this bottom picture, you can see from in the living room how when you look into that kitchen area, you don't have a higher countertop blocking your view. Ready for countertop installation? Yes! An undermount sink and new faucet was installed with the quartz countertop here in the sink area. Another look at that. That's an awesome looking faucet. Here we're in the kitchen looking into the living room. Wow, it's a straight view, and look at all the added workspace our client gained by going to one level. Love the veining in that. It's time to begin the backsplash. So our tile installers covered up the countertops. They didn't want to have them get messed up in any way. And we've got the white backsplash up with the deco tile. They chose to do just 2 rows of deco tile. Grout was being installed there, and the progress continues. Look at that behind the faucet. That is so cool looking. What is next? Since we did not replace the cabinets, everything is covered up because now the painters are here ready to paint. So our client chose to have the cabinets prepped and painted white. White cabinets with the white subway tile and deco backsplash and the quartz countertops. Wow, look at the difference. Look how different. It's so updated. You can see into the living area much easier. I love the veining. A new light and bright kitchen. Look at the view from the living room. Crisp and modern. And they painted the front of this cabinet a charcoal color with 2 stools that have a teal accent for a punch of color. From this, wow. Need a kitchen update? We can help you.